students, today's our topic is reopening of partition. As per the general rule, once a partition is made, it cannot be reopened because a share can be divided only once. However, there are certain exceptions to this general rule. Following are the cases where partition can be reopened. Number 1. Readjustment of assets. It may be possible that during partition there has been a bona fide mistake as to the property division which may cause loss to a co-partner. In such case, the co-partner claims to be reimbursed for the loss of the property. All the co-partners have to bear the burden of loss readjustment after recognizing the mistakes is not barred by law. Second, use of malpractice. A partition effected among the co-partners of the Hindu joint family with their consent and by violation cannot be reopened if it is proved that the consent of the co-partners is obtained by any malpractice like fraud, coercion, undue influence, misrepresentation, etc. The partition is eligible to be reopened. However, the court requires a strict proof of facts in such cases. If the facts there lies shows that the partition was done with proper deliberations, the court does not entertain a plea to reopen the partition in such circumstances. Son in the womb. A son who is the mother's womb at the time of partition is entitled to a share in the joint family property as if he is existent at the time of partition. Though born after partition, if no such share is reserved for him at the time of partition, the partition can be reopened to allot his share to him. Disqualified or absentee co-partner. A disqualified co-partner who recovers from his disqualification after the partition can get the partition reopened. If a co-partner is absent at the time of the partition for a valid reason and no share is allotted to him, he can get the partition reopened. Injustice to minor co-partner. If a partition among the co-partners of the Hindu joint family consisting of minor co-partners to be unfair and unjust and is inimical to the interest of minors, such as partition can be reopened. Thank you so much.